Hi everyone, this is Dr. Suganya working as an associate professor in Department of Computer Science with Cyber Security. So in this video, let us discuss about the topic Introduction to Cryptography in the course Applied Cryptography. So before learning the algorithms and attacks and different types of attacks in the Applied Cryptography, we must understand what is cryptography, why it is needed and how it is used in the real life. So cryptography is the science of protecting the informations. So it transforms the readable informations into an unreadable form, as we all know, as we all are aware about the encryptions and decryptions. So now let us go inside the video. So let us see about the introductions of cryptography, where the cryptography, it is the science of protecting the informations. That is, as I said you already, the informations will be transformed from the readable form into a non-readable form. So the authorized unauthorized people cannot understand the form of a message. So only the intended receiver can read the actual message. A simple real life example is WhatsApp. That is, whenever we see the WhatsApp, we used to find the end-to-end encryptions. So this is a very and well-known example of the cryptography where we used in the real life scenarios. So in this slide, we are going to see about what is the need to use the cryptography. So we need the cryptography because today most of the communication happens over the internet only. So cryptography, which protects the data from the hackers, which secures the online communication, it also keeps the password safe. It verifies the user identity. So without the cryptography, the online systems will not be secure at all. We are using the cryptography in order to protect the messages, that is like for privacies. So imagine when a person sends a message to your friend on a WhatsApp. So without cryptography, hackers or even the internet service providers couldn't able to read that message. So cryptography ensures the privacy by making the message readable only to the sender and the receiver. So let us now discuss about the key objectives of cryptography. So the cryptography mainly focuses on 4 different kinds of key objectives like confidentiality, integrity, authentication and non-repudiations. So confidentiality, which ensures that only the authorized users can able to read the data. So whereas the integrity, which falls to ensures the data is not altered during the transmissions. That is, together they both protect the secrecy and correctness of the informations. And when we speak about the authentication and non-repudiation, so authentication, which is used to verify the identity of the sender or the user, like passwords and the digital signatures. So non-repudiations, which is also used to ensures that the sender cannot deny the sending message, which is important in the legal and financial systems. So this is what the key objectives of the cryptography. Let us now in this slide discuss about the types of cryptography. So types of cryptography, when we speak, that is has been broadly classified into 3 different types like symmetric key cryptography, asymmetric key cryptography and the hash functions. So in our next video, let us discuss about all these types of cryptography in a detailed manner. Before that, let us now discuss about how actually the cryptography works. First, the original message is called a plain text actually. So where this plain text, that is encryption, which converts the plain text into the ciphertext using a key. So the decryption, which converts the back, that is the encrypted message, again has been transferred to the plain text. For example, hello, we are transferring a plain text called hello, HELLO, will becomes like KHO or some other terms using a simple shift key. So this this example which shows the movement of the characters which we transfer, that is from hello to the via encryptions to the cipher text. Now let us see about the applications of cryptography. So cryptography is mainly used in the online banking transactions. It also used to send the message using the secure way in different mobile applications, web applications, etc. So it is also used in the field of e-commerce. We use in the digital signatures, cloud storage, etc., etc. So these are all of the important notable applications of the cryptography. So it also ensures the secure communication which protects the data across the devices. It also builds the trust in digital systems and prevents the cyber attacks. Let us now discuss about the few advantages and disadvantages of the cryptography before going to our next video. So when we speak about the advantages, like it is mainly falls on the secure communication, protecting the data across the devices. It builds the trust in the digital systems. It also prevents the cyber attacks from the hackers, and non-repudiation, which has been already discussed. So when we speak about the disadvantages of the cryptography, it falls like high computational costs, difficult key managements, and no protections against the user errors. And also it can be misused by the criminals also, and it is also more expensive for the implementations. These are all some of the real-time uses of the cryptography, where now we are using like in WhatsApp messages, online banking payments, HTTPS, that is website browsing, ATM transactions, cloud storage, etc. So this pictorial representation clearly explains about the overview of the cryptography, where the plain text has been converted into a ciphertext via the two main important processes of the cryptography, like encryption and decryptions. So hope this video is useful for you students. Thank you so much.